Every adventure is unique, and the gear you carry can make all the difference in the world. Today, we're exploring the Berghaus Crusader III and why this massive 110-liter backpack is the perfect companion for every adventure. It's built with reinforced nylon that's built to withstand all of the rigors of your greatest adventure. And it's got 90 plus 20 liters of capacity, which means that the main pack on its own is a massive 90 liters, and each side pouch is an additional 10 liters of space, giving you 110 liters of overall capacity. Pro tip, the side pouches can be converted into a 20-liter day pack for shorter excursions, or each one can be worn individually like a sling bag. Berghaus came up with something that they call the Multi-Mission Pack System, or MMPS. It's basically their version of Molly or Alice, and what it means is that all of their different packs with the MMPS system can be cross-compatible with one another. So the side pouches can work on all your other Berghaus backpacks, as well as the straps. And honestly, this MMPS system is pretty similar to Molly. But utility isn't everything. Comfort is equally important when carrying heavy loads over long hauls. The Crusader has significant back padding, comfy shoulder straps, and a waist belt that actually works and fits nearly everyone. It's adjustable where it matters, and the pack is available in multiple sizes to ensure a perfect fit. We've got these packs available in 2 colors and multiple sizes. So get yours today at swisslink.com.